In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit text on your Squarespace 7.1 website. First, head to your site and open the website editor. Look for the Edit button in the top corner of the page and click it. This switches your page into editing mode so you can make changes directly on the canvas. Now, move your mouse to the section where you want text. When you see the insert point, click Add Block and choose the text block. A blank text area will appear right on the page. Click inside and start typing your content. You can add a headline, a short intro, and any body text you need. If you're updating existing text, click into that block and edit it in place. To format what you've written, select the portion of text you want to change by highlighting it. A formatting toolbar will appear, usually above or near your selection. Open the text or style drop-down to choose the right level. Pick Heading 1 for a primary page title, Heading 2 for section headings, and Heading 4 for smaller subheadings. For body copy, choose Paragraph 1 or Paragraph 2, depending on your design system. Paragraph 1 typically serves as standard body text, while Paragraph 2 can be a secondary style for variety or emphasis. You can apply these styles to different lines by highlighting each line and selecting the style you want. If something doesn't look right, just highlight the text again and switch to a different style from the same dropdown. Take a moment to scan your page and make sure your hierarchy is consistent. 1. Heading 1 per page, clear heading 2s for sections, and readable paragraphs underneath. If you ever lose the toolbar, click the text again or use the small text button that appears with the block controls to reopen formatting options. Keep typing, highlighting, and applying styles until everything reads well and matches your layout. Remember that consistency helps your visitors scan the page quickly and improves accessibility. When you're happy with the content and formatting, look to the top of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes to the live site. If you need to revisit anything, you can return to edit at any time, adjust the text, reapply a heading or paragraph style, and save again. That's it. You've added a text block, typed your content, used highlight and select to apply heading and paragraph styles,